Hi, let me show you how you can edit navbar or any component, the link or text, anything. So first of all, you should click the item that you want to edit. So suppose I am clicking here. Here you can see this is green color, and this is a component icon of the Webflow. So click on here, and here you can see this is a component, and it is not messing with other things. Okay, click here, and you can click on this icon here to edit it, or just double click here, it will open the box. Okay, now select the item like this. I want to edit this one, suppose. So on the right panel you can see this is the link section. You can put any link here, select any page link, or you can put a custom link here, phone number, email, or section, or you can also attach file here. Okay, so this is the way to edit the component link. You can also change the text. Here you can see the text box. Okay, never edit the link like opening this, double clicking this and putting the link here. This is the wrong way. So you should put the link or text as the text of this component. First of all, uh, observe that all the links component or all the component contains this feature here. Okay, thank you.